Here we are, 184. Bakuckas from Rutgers, Schleifer, Princeton.
Come on, Bill, angle! Right hand down! Right hand down! Good!
Schleifer in a low single, trying to reach around the back, comes across the front, gets the takedown.
Schleifer picks up a quick takedown for Tiger 2.
Bakuckas working up to a base here.
Back pressure! Hands!
Up. Schleifer cuts him once he's up to his feet. 2-1. Schleifer wants to tie up. Bakuckas shoots an attack.
Schleifer picks up
Schleifer another takedown.
Tiger 2.
Quick on that level change. 4-1. Schleifer's got that leg caught again. He's trying to get the low shoulder turn. Restart. 35 seconds left. First period. 4-1. Schleifer. Bakuckas turns in to his feet. 4-2. Schleifer has a minute and a half of riding time. Start of the second period. Bakuckas takes bottom, works to his feet, turns in, gets a quick escape. 4-3. Schleifer walking his hips into that danger zone. He is ready to go. Now he's rocking double overhooks, inside trip, doesn't happen. Bakuckas trying to block his thigh. Snatch single, doesn't happen. Both guys working right at the edge of the cylinder. Schleifer looking a little bit tired there. He's stuck underneath right now. 25 seconds for Bakuckas to try and get some offense going. Bakuckas seems content just to hang out right there. Start third period. Schleifer up to his feet. Hand fighting. Hip turn in. He's out. He's winning 5-3. And he has a minute 20 riding time. Bakuckas in. Trying to cut the corner. Can't do it there. He's transferred low single. Schleifer has a shin whizzer. Bakuckas trying to walk forward to control the head. Potentially dangerous. This is in the third period. Schleifer reshot. Trying to lift Bakuckas' leg. Bakuckas has the, looks like a shin whizzer, can't tell. He's got pressure for sure. Schleifer can't lift that leg up right now. Bakuckas reaching around, controlling Schleifer's wrist. Bakuckas shot off the whistle. Trying to clear the arm. Schleifer is controlling the arm. Bakuckas stands, loses the leg, re-attacks again, has the ankle in the air, and that's how we'll end. 6-3. Jonathan Schleifer.
Schleifer gets the 6-3 victory. Thank you everyone for coming out today supporting Tiger Wrestling. We invite all high school and youth athletes to stick around and get posters signed by the Princeton team.